Hindustan Aeronautics will take up the Super Sukhoi upgrade program this year, that might require nearly $4 billion funding from Indian Air Force and Ministry of Defence. To bring the Su-30 to a near 5th generation level, HAL and Indian Air Force are finalizing the equipment and systems that will be upgraded on 150 Su-30 fighter jets, and HAL will soon approach Russia for its approval of the upgrade program, since it is the original equipment manufacturer of the aircraft. HAL will start testing many of the components from 2024 that will be incorporated into the prototype in multiple phases, while the full-scale upgradation of 150 aircraft will start in 2027. The Indian Army has issued a request for proposal to procure 48 jetpack suits through fast-track procedure under the Buy Indian category that must have at least 60% indigenous content. The total weight of the jetpack suit must not exceed 40 kilograms and should have any modern propulsion system including turbine engines, electric propulsion, or hybrid systems. The maximum speed should not be less than 50 kilometers per hour, a payload carrying capacity of at least 80 kilograms, operational altitude of 3,000 meters, and a minimum flight time of 8 minutes. The Army has issued a request for proposal to procure 100 robotic mules along with associated accessories under Buy Indian category that must be a 4-legged robot equipped with 4K cameras that are capable of autonomous movement across various terrain, operate in autonomous mode and GPS-denied environment, self-recovery capability with obstruction avoidance features. It must not weigh more than 60 kilograms and should have a length, width and height of 1 meters and should have at least 10 kilograms payload capability. It must be powered by a lightweight battery based on lithium-ion or other new generation technology and have at least 3 hours of continuous walking time. Private sector firm Action Construction Equipment has developed an indigenous special mobile crane for the Army variant of the MRSAM missile using advanced technology. Action Construction Equipment has received a first order for manufacturing and supply of these cranes by the Army, which have been integrated on 8x8 high-mobility vehicle chassis. The cranes are hydraulically powered and use telescopic boom sections and are equipped with sophisticated safety devices. The National Security Guard is procuring 13 surveillance robots that will reduce human intervention and provide seamless surveillance in a hazardous environment. The 4-wheeled day and night robots will be equipped with 360-degree cameras with infrared and will have easy maneuverability in a variety of rough terrain and instantaneous audio and video reconnaissance within indoor and outdoor environments. The Ministry of Defence is procuring 130 tethered drone systems with electro-optical payload under fast-track procedure from prospective buyers that should have an all-up weight of not more than 15 kilograms, with an endurance of not less than 6 hours in tethered mode and 45 minutes endurance in untethered mode. It must have fully autonomous mode, semi-autonomous mode, manual mode and return home mode, and an operational life of at least minimum of 7 years or 1,000 landings, and at least 500 charging cycles for the battery. Lockheed Martin has announced that the latest Block 70 version of the F-16 fighter jet took to the skies for the first time yesterday from a Lockheed plant in Greenville, South Carolina, that is being built for Bahrain. The Block 70 F-16 has improved electronics, radar and cockpit displays, and Lockheed has offered the same Block 70 version to the Indian Air Force under its 114 MRFA program.